As some of you are aware that we organize basic fillers training workshop at Delhi at our center, Divine Cosmetic Surgery. And I'm Dr. Amit, I'm a plastic surgeon. We've conducted 4 workshops on basic fillers and these have been in coordination with Mers Aesthetics India. The 5th workshop is scheduled for the 9th of December, that's Sunday at 11 o'clock in the morning. And any doctor, any dermatologist who's into aesthetic care is welcome to join this workshop. At present, these workshops are sponsored by Mers Aesthetics, and the 5th workshop is going to be a free workshop, and starting January we're going to start getting these workshops to be paid workshops. So use this opportunity. This is going to be the last free workshop on fillers, and if you see some of the testimonials that have come by, the participants have had an amazing time, and we create an alumni group as well for all the participants